You know, it's funny how many people think designing a home is just a matter of choosing materials, arranging rooms, and making it all look pretty in a rendering. Like you just need someone to draw the lines and pick a paint swatch. But here's the truth that no one talks about. An architect designs the envelope. They'll give you structure, they'll give you geometry, and they'll give you compliance. They'll make sure that the walls stand up and the roof doesn't leak, and the proportions hit that golden ratio. And don't get me wrong, these things are vitally important. But what about when you walk in? What about when your daughter takes her first steps across that floor? What about the way your friends gather around the island, laughing way too loud with a glass of wine in hand? What about the quiet you feel in the early hours when the world hasn't quite woken up yet, but your kitchen feels like home? That's not the envelope. That's the experience. Architects give you the layout. We give you the soul. There's a vast and often invisible gap between technical drawings and emotional resonance, between function and feeling, between lines on a blueprint and goosebumps on your skin. Our job is to fill that gap. We ask different questions. We don't just ask how many bedrooms or do you want a prep kitchen? We ask, who are you becoming in this space? How do you want to feel when you wake up? What would it look like for your home to reflect your values, not just your assets? It's the difference between designing for someone and designing around someone. We don't just optimize space, we orchestrate moments. We don't just pick finishes, we translate identity into form. Because what you're building isn't just a house, it's a stage for your life. And every corner, every surface, every light switch should feel like it knows you. The architect gives you the container, we give you the connection. So if you're tired of homes that look like showrooms but feel like nothing, if you're done with luxury that screams but doesn't sing, then it's time to design from the inside out. Because the most powerful homes aren't just well built, they're well lived.